This video is concentrated mainly on the Kanak Pari or the Spleen Chakra. You know it by Spleen Chakra and we know it by Kanak Pari. It's been said that Kanak Pari is very important to flush out all your negative energies. In house, if I'm talking about flush, it works how it is important, and that the same importance goes to Kanak Pari. Kanak Pari is very simplified and it's classified because Kanak Pari works like a ventilator in our energy body. It just supply all those and flushes all those negative energy with very ease. The regular practitioner of the spiritual front, you know where the Spleen Pari is or the Spleen Chakra is. And let me tell you, the new viewers or the beginners, Spleen Pari or the Kanak Pari is situated exactly of the left side of your body. And this is very important. So now focus and accumulate your energies. Just get back to the process now. Focus on the position. Feel that energy out there. You can feel that energy centers. These are the energy centers which we are talking about in every videos. So feel the energy center and focus and feel your spleen. Feel your Kanak Pari. Now I'll start the healing with the sound of Om continuously, and it will continue to the end of the video. And in every Om sound, you have to just absorb the vibration. Thus you can absorb the strength directly to your Kanak Pari or Spleen Pari. Om sound will add the strength in your physical realm and as well as your mental realm. Om
Oh.